3 cups of corn kernel. I have some green onion right here, some red onion, or some people call it purple onion, and some mayonnaise. Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'm here to share with you guys the world's most delicious corn salad. So right here guys, I have 3 cups of corn kernel. I have some spring onion right here guys. Some chopped red onion. So right here guys, I have quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of dry parsley, half teaspoon of mustard powder, and half teaspoon of oregano. This one is pretty easy guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a quick little stir, yeah? Let's combine all these ingredients. And right here I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And here we go guys, our corn salad is ready. Tell me guys, how is it looking?